In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use color scales in Excel. Color scales are a useful way to visualize values in a range of cells. They help you quickly spot low, medium, and high numbers by applying different colors based on the value in each cell. This can make large sets of data much easier to read at a glance. To begin, select the data range where you want to apply the color scale. Make sure you only highlight the cells that contain the values you want Excel to evaluate. Once your data is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. In the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting. A menu will appear with several formatting options. Move your pointer over color scales to open the preset choices. Excel will show a gallery of built-in color scale options, and each one uses a different combination of colors to represent the lowest and highest values in your selection. Click the preset scale you want, and Excel will apply it right away. If you want more control over how the formatting looks, you can customize that rule. Start by selecting the cells that now have the color scale applied. Then go back to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting again, and choose Manage Rules. This opens the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager, where you can view the rule connected to your selected range. Click the rule you want to change, and then select Edit Rule. In the Edit Formatting Rule window, you can change the format style. You can choose between a 2-color scale and a 3-color scale. A 2-color scale is useful when you want a simple gradient from low to high. A 3-color scale is helpful when you also want to emphasize middle values. Next, choose your custom colors for the minimum, midpoint, and maximum settings. If you are using a 2-color scale, you will only work with the minimum and maximum colors. If you choose a 3-color scale, you can assign a separate color for the midpoint as well. This gives you more flexibility and can make your data easier to interpret, especially when you want to highlight a balanced middle range. When you are finished, click OK to confirm the rule changes, and then click Apply. Your updated color scale will now appear in the selected cells. That covers everything you need to know.